Good morning students. Today we are going to solve question number 1 and 2 of exercise 4.3 of chapter 4. Chapter name is simple equation. Question number 1 says solve the following equation. Students, we are going to solve in the same manner which we have solved in exercise 4.2, but here the sums which they are giving us will be little bit more difficult compared to the first exercise. Difficult in the sense difficulty level they will increase slowly, gradually, right? Now moving to part A, 2y plus 5 by 2 is equal to 37 by 2. Don't worry, keep the variable part which we want to solve here only in LHS. Take the constant part into the RHS. So transposing plus 5 by 2 to RHS, it will be minus 5 by 2. Therefore 2y is equal to, now looking upon the LCM, here both are 2, so LCM will be 2 and numerator will be subtracted. So 37 minus 2 is 32 divided by 2. Therefore 2y is equal to 32 divided by 2. 2 ones are and 2 16s are. Therefore 2y is equal to 16. 2 which is in multiplication, if we transpose to RHS, we will get, it will go that side and divide. So 16 divided by 2 will be 2 ones are and 2 8s are. Y is equal to 8 will be your answer. We have solved the equation. Now moving to part B, 5t plus 28 is equal to 10. 5t we will keep as it is, plus 28. If we move that side, that means we transpose that side, it will go that side and subtract. So we will get 10 minus 28 will be minus 18. 5t is equal to minus 18. 5 which is in multiplication with t, we will transpose it, therefore it will go and divide in RHS. Now converting into mixed fraction, 5 3s is 15 and 3 18. So we will get minus 3 integer 3 by 8 will be your answer. You can also keep this answer also. Now moving to part C. Part C is a divided by 5. A divided by 5 plus 3 is equal to 2. First of all, we will keep the variable part as it is, a divided by 5. Plus 3 will transpose, it will become minus 3. So a divided by 5 will be minus 1. Now transposing division part, 5 which is in division, it will go that side and multiply. So we will get minus 1 into 5, which is equal to, a is equal to minus 5. Now solving part D. Part D is q divided by 4 plus 7 is equal to 5. Transposing 7 to that side, we will get q divided by 4 is equal to 5 plus 7 will become minus 7. So we will get q divided by 4 is equal to minus 2. Now transposing 4 which is in division, so it will go there and multiply. So we will get q is equal to minus 8. Moving to part E, 5 divided by 2x. 5 divided by 2x is equal to 10. Minus 10, sorry. It is minus 10. 2 which is in division, if we take that side, so it will become 5x is equal to minus 10 into 2, which will eventually become minus 20. Now 5 which is in multiplication, if we take that side, so it will become minus 20 divided by 5, and in 5's table it goes 4 times. Therefore x is equal to minus 4 is your answer. Now part F. Part F is 5 divided by 2x is equal to 25 divided by 4. Same procedure, 2 which is in division, we will take that side, so it will become 5x is equal to 25 divided by 4 into 2. Now let me take 5 also, then I will subtract. X is equal to 25 into 2 divided by 4 was already there. This is in multiplication, so it will come in division. In 5's table 25 goes 5 times, so 5 5 is 25. In 2's table 4 goes 2 times, 2 1s are and 2 2s are, so we will get x is equal to 5 by 2. This will be your answer. Now remaining 4 parts I want you all to solve by yourself, practice at your home. Moving to question number 2, let me first write down. So question number 2 also is the same thing. Solve the following equation. As I've told, difficulty level will rise slowly and gradually, but it is not difficult if you solve by the rule. Here you can see 2 multiply by the bracket, in bracket is x minus 5, x minus 4 is equal to 12. Take 2 which is in multiplication with the bracket, take it to RHS, so it will become x minus 4 is equal to 12. Here it was in multiplication, so here it will divide. 2 1s are and 2 6s are, therefore x minus 4 is equal to 6. Now in next step minus 4 will transpose, so we will get x plus 4, which is eventually we will get x is equal to 10. Moving to part B. Part B says 3 into bracket n minus 5 is equal to 21 is equal to 21. Now see, again I will not open the bracket. You can open bracket also and solve, it will be solved, but if you take 3 to the RHS it will be solved easily. So I am taking n minus 5 will be as it is, 3 which is in multiplication with this bracket, it will go in RHS and divide. So we will get 3 1s are and 3 7s are 21. So n minus 5 is equal to 7. Now transposing minus 5, it will go there and become plus 5. So we will get n is equal to 12. Solving part C. Part C says 3 into bracket n minus 5 is equal to minus 21. Now same rule will be applied. 3 which is in multiplication with this whole bracket, it will go in RHS, so it will become n minus 5 minus 21 divided by 3. Therefore n minus 5, 3 1s are, 3 7s are, so we will get minus 7. Now n minus 5, it will go that side, so it will become plus 5. So minus 7 plus 5 will give us minus 2. N is equal to minus 2. It is having 5 parts. I want you to solve the remaining 2 parts and practice yourself. We will meet with the new question in new lecture. Till then, take care of yourself, stay home, stay safe. Bye bye.